here is what happened this week if you follow the media. I don't follow that much, but every day I look at the stock market, I see what the Dow Jones has done, and then I scroll down in the app to see what the deal is on what the news media is saying is responsible for whatever the Dow did, up, down, or in between. Those are kind of the headlines that I read on the economic thing. So here's Monday, why a falling Chinese yuan crushed the stock market and intensified the trade war. So that was where the market went down like 700 points on Monday because the Chinese struck back. Then Tuesday, the Dow closes higher after China blinks. Whew, that's good until Wednesday. The Dow swings more than 1,000 points amid fears of U.S.-China trade war. Oh man, what about Thursday? Stocks soar as investors push through anxiety about the U.S. trade war. Whew, I feel better. Until Friday, the stock market rally stumbles on trade war fears. Massive losses at Uber. So what does that mean? I want you to realize that the stock market is our competition. Right? There is a lot of capital in the stock market in the hands of stockbrokers or E-Trade accounts that a lot of that, when the market is volatile, makes its way into real estate. I could bring you back to 1999. Yeah, right around 2000. Stock market crashed, tech stock bubble. A lot of you folks remember this because you were of age. And people lost a lot of money. Okay, a lot of faith in Wall Street was shaken. Of course, 9/11 happened a year later, but the real estate boom was already underway at that point. 9/11 made it hesitate for really a quarter, and then the real estate boom that started off the 2000s took off. It obviously went too far and it corrected, but the exuberance around hard assets was driven by fears of a volatile stock market followed by just a volatile world, right? People wanted something real. That accrues to our benefit in this situation. So this is a funny week because 5 days in a row, the exact same issue. And what it really means is that the people who are writing this and the industry of Wall Street loves this kind of stuff. Because you and I, we're the knuckleheads, we're the rubes that sell our stock on Monday when amid fears. So here's the way that all played out. We saw this, we freaked out, we sold our stock. The professional electronic traders on Wall Street bought. That's what happened on Tuesday. It drove prices back up again. So on Wednesday, we needed to have another crash to cause us to freak out. So we would sell our stocks. So on the dips, they could buy them, which is why we had a push up on Thursday. And of course, Friday, they're setting up Monday so they can make money. So they've made money the whole week. The media is in on it to help the professional investors manipulate the market against the best interest of the everyday investors. Doesn't happen in real estate. Okay, what happened in the last week in real estate is the market just kind of snoozed along, kept climbing, great numbers coming out. CoreLogic shows that the market in the last 12 months went up 3.4%. Renters Warehouse predicted the market would go up 3.44%. So CoreLogic, who has a building full of economists, came up with 3.4 looking back. Renters Warehouse on America came up with 3.44% looking forward. They're now predicting 5.2. I'm predicting 4.5. So we'll see. Anyway, none of this crap matters to the housing market, and we can sell against that. So here's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to recommend what I think you guys should do. This was a LinkedIn post that I put out a couple of days ago while this was all going on. I put it out on Wednesday. It only got as far as Wednesday. So same routine. You see Dow plummets, Tuesday Dow climbs, Wednesday I put a link and then I put buy real estate. I got 4,500 views. Call your attention to the bottom here. 4,529 people viewed this post because it hit them right between the eyes. And of course, I'm trying to build brand awareness around the fact that we really, really know real estate. And if any of this starts making sense to you as an investor that says, you know what, I may or may not own any investment real estate, but I definitely have money in the stock market, and I've been sweating, cheering, and this whole roller coaster ride is going to cause me, to go to an early grave. Let me get out of this crap and get into real estate. That's what I'm moving towards. But 4,500 people saw it. That was the best post that I've had, I think, in months on LinkedIn. I usually get 2,000 to 3,000. So people liked it. Another thing that we did, and this was an ad that we ran. I'm hoping it'll play, and I'm hoping that you'll hear the sound. But even if you don't, because the sound is me doing a voiceover, the important thing is what's in the ad. You have a heavy burden on your shoulders. The people you love are counting on you to provide for their future. You need to put a plan in place that is sure to succeed. So you can make investments and then live your life. At Renter's Warehouse, our goal is to make real estate investing foolproof. It just makes me want to, I get choked up. Give me a high five if you understand what I'm going for here. All right, we made that ad the last time it did this, and now we want to start running it again because it's a perfect opportunity to make mockery out of what they do over there, as they're the investment advisors. But what that industry is doing is actually ripping all of us off with this ping pong ball with your emotions, and ours doesn't do that.